Today we're going to talk about using a basic Python script using ConnectHandler function within the Python netmiko library. This is again a simple Python script that can be used to just quickly connect to a device. In this case, the device could be this particular box here. This is a Juniper device, so I want to connect to this device and run a set of commands. So we'll quickly walk through the script itself. It's a very basic script to understand what exactly it is doing and how you could use the ConnectHandler function within netmiko of the Python to get this job done. So first, from the Python netmiko, I import the ConnectHandler function. The next one, from getpass, import getpass, is pretty much used to store the password, just like all the previous script videos that I have posted. You'll be able to understand the reasons why getpass is imported. Username is pretty much where I enter the user details which are stored in the variable. Now the password is being prompted as soon as we run the script, and it is also stored in this variable called password. Next, I read a file called BA. It's just a name. It has a list of commands that I want to run on a particular box. So you may have 20 commands, you may have 10 commands. So this particular file is open and the commands are read per line and stored in this variable called commands to send. And then it's also trying to print those commands that I'm trying to send, so I get an understanding of what are those commands that I want to run on the script. Now quickly showing that file, you can see these are two commands that I want to run on the Juniper device. And next, what happens is the variable for Junos device is defined where the device type is Juniper Junos. This is just a template. If it's a Cisco, the templates are different. Likewise, for different vendors, different templates are available within the Python functions, which can be easily found on the internet. Now the IP that I'm trying to connect is this particular IP. The username will be substituted with the variable that is stored right at the top. Likewise, for the password, it is replaced with the variable that are stored here. And then I define a new variable called all devices, and I just map it to this particular Junos device variable. So pretty much, if I wanted to have one more device, I could have that also defined at the bottom and reference this all devices to include those multiple devices as well. Then is the crucial part of the script. So what I do is for devices in all devices. So for each of the devices, in this case, it's just this one device here. I want the netconnect to invoke the ConnectHandler and connect to these devices, because for devices is pretty much calling the all devices, and I'm just invoking the Python ConnectHandler to connect to those devices. The fact that I have multiple commands, I need another for loop to read each of those commands and execute them. So a variable here is defined for x in commands to send. Now the commands to send is pretty much what is stored here, all the commands that are parsed. And I'm saying for each command, I want the net connect to send those commands. As you can see, x is just representing each command, and with a enter, because after each command we are executing an enter and we are printing the output. So it's a very basic script. We will be sharing more details about how to connect to multiple devices and execute these multiple commands in subsequent videos. But in this video, it's just a beginner's guide to just use a basic script with ConnectHandler within Python to connect to a device, run the commands, and get the results. So now if I were to start the script, I am calling Python 3. My script name is A9. You can see the username is asked for and the password is asked for. Now it's clearly telling me that as soon as I connect, these are the two commands that I'm going to run on those boxes. That's because we are printing the commands to send. Now after that, it connected to the first command on the box and it got me the outputs, which is displayed here, the show PFE statistics traffic. Likewise, the next command is about the ARP table, and that is also displayed here. So this way you could use it pretty much to quickly connect to a box, get a set of commands that you want. Of course, the script can be optimized to include more than one device, which is what we will discuss on the next remaining videos, where how we could connect to more than one device and run these same commands. So I will paste this whole script on the description below. Hope this was useful. Bye for now.